our newest flagship model. This is GPT-4o.
Gemini is delivering our most intelligent AI experience.
The launch of Amazon Nova.
We are introducing more than 50 plus new products.
We're going to try something that, as far as we know, no tech company has done before.
Google has been at the forefront of
Gemini
many of
was
those
better
things.
than any other
GPT-4
model out there.
is incredibly advanced.
More than any other large
So O1 is the smartest model in the
Gemini
world
is
now.
our largest and most
We're going to
capable.
announce two
Gemini
models today.
2.0 enables new
To
kinds.
deliver frontier intelligence.
You ever feel like AI is moving faster than life itself? One day it's GPT-4, next day it's Gemini, Claude, Mistral, and suddenly everyone's a prompt engineer or building AI agents. Meanwhile, I'm just here, final year AI student, trying to figure out how to finish my project on time. I remember literally closing my laptop and saying, yeah, I'll deal with this tomorrow. I didn't. If you've ever felt like AI is overwhelming, confusing, or just too much, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm giving you a real roadmap. No fluff, no fear, just pure, practical AI that actually makes sense. Let's kick off with the number one problem I faced: AI tools paralysis. There are so many tools out there. Like, why does every tool start with AI and promise to change the world? ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Hugging Face. One day I opened 12 tabs just trying to summarize a YouTube script, and guess what? Didn't finish the script. That's when I realized I don't need every tool. I just need the right ones for me. So I created what I call my minimum viable toolkit. And here's how I built it. Step 1. Spot a recurring need. For me, researching stuff fast for class and content. Step 2. Test 2 to 3 tools. I tried Gemini, Perplexity, Consensus, and Perplexity 1. Fast, simple, and solid. Step 3. Commit. Used it daily. It stuck. And now it's part of my permanent stack. Don't burn yourself out jumping between flashy new tools. Just build your own personal AI toolkit, one use case at a time. Section 2, Death by Prompts. Okay, so let's say you've got your favorite tools, but now you're stuck writing the same long prompts every day? Ugh, I've been there. I once lost a killer prompt that turned class notes into perfect slides. Rebuilt it from memory. Twice. Whew, painful. Then I learned a few tricks. Hack 1. Use a text expander. Just type / slide speed and boom, prompt appears there. Hack 2. Embed prompts in your flow. Every week, I have a calendar block for editing videos. Guess what's inside that event? My prompt link and shortcut. Click, paste, done. Haha. Don't just write better prompts. Design better systems around them. Less friction equals more flow. Section 3, update suffocation. And then comes the final boss, update suffocation. Every day there's a new AI model, a new agent, a new GPT that's smarter than Einstein. At one point, I was so busy reading AI updates, I forgot to actually build anything. That's when I created my own system, the impact loop. Step 1. Pick 1 to 2 sources you love. I follow the Rundown AI and Superhuman. That's it, unsubbed from the rest. Step 2. Block time to try one new thing a week. Saturday afternoons, just 30 minutes. One experiment. That's how I tested AI Notion integration. Game changer. You don't have to know everything. Just make sure you're applying something every single week. So, are you behind in AI? Absolutely not. You just needed a system and now you've got one. This is just day 1 of 35. We're just getting started. So hit subscribe, drop your AI struggles in the comments, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's episode. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep it One Stop AI.